We're about to explore whether Pi Coin's meteoric rise is heading toward a rally to $10 or if there's a storm brewing on the horizon. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, let's start with a quick overview. In the last 24 hours alone, PiNetwork has shown a remarkable growth of 6.2%, outperforming some of the biggest names in crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, and even Solana. To put things in perspective, while major coins experienced modest gains, PiNetwork has been on a tear, marking an astronomical surge of over 1,676% since its mainnet launch. This incredible performance has caught the eye of many investors, especially in a market where traditional players have seen a decline of around 9.9% over the same period. It's clear that Pi isn't just riding the wave, it's setting its own course. But the big question remains, how high can the price of Pi really go? Let's break down the key drivers behind this explosive growth. First and foremost, PiNetwork is at a critical juncture. Since February 20th, the price of Pi has seen a relentless upward trend, and in the past 24 hours, it's surged by another 6.9%. A major catalyst behind this momentum is the upcoming migration deadline, set for March 17th. For those new to the scene, this migration is a crucial process where users are prompted to move their holdings, and it's creating a significant sense of urgency and demand in the community. Adding to the excitement, the trading volume of Pi in the last 24 hours has skyrocketed, reaching a staggering $777 million. This liquidity boost not only highlights strong investor interest but also hints at a wider market confidence. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Leading exchanges like Binance are showing signs of listing Pi soon. In a recent community poll, over 2/3 of Binance users voted in favor of listing Pi. This kind of community-backed momentum is a powerful indicator. When major exchanges show interest, it often translates into increased exposure and further price action. There's also an external factor at play. With significant policy shifts in the U.S. crypto landscape, notably following the November U.S. election, where crypto-friendly stances have become more pronounced, we're seeing renewed institutional and retail confidence in digital assets. While these macro factors may seem distant from a single coin's performance, they create a favorable backdrop that can drive adoption and trading volume for emerging projects like PiNetwork. Now, let's get technical. If you're a trader or a technical analyst, you'll appreciate the charts behind Pi's recent surge. Just recently, the price was struggling at a strong resistance level of $1.75. But guess what? Managed to shatter that barrier, pushing the price to a current level of around $1.88. The 4-hour chart is particularly telling. When we look at the Bollinger Bands, we see that the gap between them has significantly narrowed. This contraction typically indicates that the market is coiling up and may be ready to unleash some serious momentum. Many analysts are watching closely, speculating that if Pi can break through the critical $1.90 level with strong volume, we might see a breakout that propels the coin toward the $2 mark, at least in the short term. There's also another technical tool in our arsenal, the parabolic SAR indicator. For those unfamiliar, the parabolic SAR is used to identify potential trend reversals. In the case of Pi, it's currently signaling a positive trend shift, reinforcing the bullish outlook we're seeing on the charts. But here's the kicker. If Pi manages to consolidate above the $1.90 threshold, several experts predict that we could witness a rally that sends the price skyrocketing all the way to $10. On the flip side, if the coin fails to hold above this level, we could see a significant pullback, potentially down to around $1.54. This is why traders are keeping such a close eye on support levels, particularly around $1.74, as maintaining support here is critical for confirming a sustained bullish breakout. Let's talk predictions. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and Pi coin is no exception. With its explosive performance so far, the community and market experts are divided on what the next big move might be. On one hand, if the bullish momentum continues and we see the critical $1.90 level broken with strong trading volume, there's a growing sentiment that the coin could be headed toward that elusive $10 mark. Imagine that from under $2 to $10 it would be a meteoric rise that would certainly capture the attention of both retail and institutional investors alike. However, there's a word of caution that you need to consider. If Pi fails to break through or if we witness a drop below key support levels, the coin could see a significant retracement. In fact, some experts warn that selling pressure could drive the price down as low as $1.54, at least temporarily. This scenario would require investors to reassess their positions and could create a buying opportunity for those with a long-term vision. What does this mean for you as an investor or trader? It's a classic case of weighing potential high-reward scenarios against the inherent risks of market volatility. The consensus among many experts is that holding a position, especially above the $1.74 support level, could be crucial in capturing any upward momentum that develops in the coming days. As always, whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious newcomer, it's important to stay updated on market trends and to manage your risk carefully. Deep diving into PiCoin, it's also important to consider the broader cryptocurrency landscape. As you know, the crypto market is interconnected. News and technical moves in one coin can influence sentiment across the board. Recently, while many major cryptocurrencies have been on a slight downtrend, PiNetwork has not only bucked this trend but has also defined its own path. The surge in Pi's price isn't happening in isolation. It's partly due to a combination of strong community support, the upcoming migration deadline, and the growing likelihood of an exchange listing. The buzz on social media platforms and in crypto forums is palpable. Investors are discussing potential price targets, sharing technical analysis insights, and debating the long-term viability of Pi as it transitions from a community project to a mainstream asset. This vibrant community engagement is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's a testament to the passion and belief that users have in the project. On the other hand, it also means that the coin's price can be influenced by rapid shifts in sentiment. That's why it's essential to combine both technical analysis and fundamental insights when making your investment decisions. For those of you who are watching and wondering how to stay ahead, my advice is simple: keep your ears to the ground, stay engaged with the community, and don't be afraid to do your own research. In the crypto world, knowledge is power, and staying informed can be your best defense against volatility. In just 24 hours, PiNetwork has surged by 6.2%, outperforming major cryptos while the broader market has been on a downtrend. The imminent migration deadline on March 17, the massive trading volume nearing $777 million, and the buzz around a potential Binance listing are major drivers behind this rally. The price has broken through previous resistance at $1.75 and is hovering near $1.88. Indicators like the Bollinger Bands and parabolic SAR are hinting at a bullish breakout, particularly if the coin can maintain support above $1.74 and push past the crucial $1.90 level. If Pi breaks out with strong volume, we might see a rally toward $10. But if it falters, a pullback to around $1.54 is on the table. This volatility highlights the importance of careful risk management. The strong backing from the community and potential institutional interest are adding layers of confidence to the coin's future prospects, making it a fascinating asset to watch in the evolving crypto landscape. What does all this mean for you? Whether you're already in the Pi ecosystem or are considering entering it, the coming days are set to be incredibly exciting. The key is to stay informed, keep an eye on those technical indicators, and always be ready to adapt your strategy as the market unfolds. I'd love to hear from you. What's your take on PiCoin's potential? Are you excited about a possible move to $10, or do you think we're heading toward a dip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Your insights not only help the community grow but also keep the discussion rich and dynamic. If you're new here and you found today's deep dive valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge analysis and real-time crypto updates. And remember, in a market as unpredictable as crypto, staying informed is the best way to safeguard your investments. That's all for today's update on PiNetwork and its incredible potential. I hope this breakdown has given you a clearer picture of what to expect in the days ahead. Whether Pi surges to $10 or faces a temporary setback, one thing is clear: the crypto space is evolving, and exciting opportunities are around every corner. Thank you so much for watching Zaki Crypto Update. Stay tuned for more insights, market updates, and detailed analyses that will keep you ahead of the curve. I'm Zaki, signing off until next time. Stay savvy, stay safe, and keep riding the crypto wave. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, leave them in the comments below. Your feedback drives our community forward, and I can't wait to read what you have to say.